Living here taught me how to be independent, strong, and responsible. Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog is gustong na ko i-share ako ang life diri sa New Zealand. So I've been staying here for 1 year and 2 months. So I just arrived last February 2025 and yet it is very struggling. It's because I've been working for 20 years dito sa Philippines. Unya, pag-abot na ko diri is na back to zero ko. The story goes like this. So, gusto lang ako i-share ang akong 1 month experience nga wala ko'y trabaho diri sa NZ. So, sa akong 1 month is grabe na akong struggle. So, nag-job hunting ko through their website. So, naaman sila yung mga website nga adto ka mag-send sa imuhang CV o sa imuhang cover letter. It's not only on the website, but I've tried also walk-ins. So, ni-try ko og walk-in, ya ako rang gilakaw. So, it takes 25 to 30 minutes gikan sa among gipuy-an paingon sa ako ang gi-applyan. And that was the most unforgettable experience for me kay nawala ko. So, pagpauli na ako, wala na ko katultol kung asa to ang done padung diri sa amuang gipuy-an. So, luckily na ako'y nasugat nga foreigner. I approached her. Please do help me, I am lost. And she instructed me to use my Google Map home. And with that experience, life has taught me how to be strong. By God's grace, and it was unanswered prayers, first week sa April, I was hired. And it's very struggling for me. It's because I have to take 2 buses para maabot sa ako ang working place. Just to make the story short, I've been working there for 8 months. So with that experience, so na-enhance na ko ang ako ang communication skills and na-widen sad na ko ang ako ang patience. It's because I am dealing with different people with different attitude every day. Living here taught me how to be independent, strong, and responsible. It's not always easy. There are days of homesickness, hard work, and sacrifices. But through it all, I appreciate the value of my family more, manage my money wisely, and appreciate the simple things in life. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to like and share and click the bell button for the new updates.